Hello guys! Today I will show you how to properly work and how to control the Bobcat self-leveling planer. Bobcat skid steer loader R series S66 with the 1 meter self-leveling planer. This planer can go up to 15 centimeters deep with the 1 meter width. Let's get in, I'll show you how to operate it. We have 5 hydraulic functions. The first one is the drum rotation, which you activate by the right finger in front of the joystick. First press is to start, the another press is to stop. Then I have 2 sets of the buttons on each joystick where I can separately control the left and the right ski. So now I am adjusted to the 5 centimeters both sides. I can see it on the gauge in front of me. Another function is the offset, which I control by left finger. And the last function will be the oscillation, which I need to change with the lever on the attachment. Now I have the oscillation plus minus 8 degrees. I can see it on the gauge on the attachment as well. To start with the planer, come on the spot, lower the attachment, put the high flow hydraulic, full RPM, and then when I have it in the zero, I activated the rotation with the right finger. Now I go slowly down by 2 hands. I lower the ski, or lift the ski, so lower the drum. And the first pass will be the 5 centimeters. And then I will use the speed management system, which I will adjust to the 21%, 20%, and with the good speed I slowly pass it. Creates a lot of dust, so if you work with the planer daily, I recommend to use the water kit. It's a great attachment where you suspend 2 water tanks in the back of the machine with the nozzles on the attachment, and you can make the drum wet, so it's much less dust around. Speed on the end. When I'm on the end, I lift the attachment, switch off the rotation by the right finger, and can go back. For the backing up, I will switch off the speed management system and go on the beginning. Speed management system on. Start the rotation. Again, I will lower it to the 10 centimeters now. Yeah. And then with the good speed, again the speed management on the 20%, I will lower to the 15 because it's the big resistance in this depth. So the job is done, we have cleaned it, and my 3 advices for today would be: keep the teeth always free to rotate. They will stay much longer, they will not grind only from one side. The other one, go layer by layer. It will be much more efficient than to try it in one pass. And the last one, use the water kit. Water kit helps you a lot against the dust, and I will show you this in the next video. Thank you.